Sliding doors getting stuck or going off track is super common, and fixing it is way easier than you think. So, first thing you want to do is check if the track is all messed up or just dirty. Grab a vacuum or a brush and clean out any gunk, dust, or little rocks that might be hanging out in there. Then, have a look at the rollers under the door, because if they're worn out or broken, the door won't glide smooth at all. Realigning the track is pretty simple too. Loosen the screws holding it down, gently move it back into place, and tighten everything back up. If your rollers are shot, you can usually find replacements online or at the hardware store, and swapping them out only takes a few minutes. Don't forget to wipe down the rollers and track with a bit of lubricant like silicone spray so everything moves slick. Also, make sure the door isn't too heavy for the track system you got. Sometimes heavier doors need sturdier rollers. Keep an eye on the door's alignment every few months to catch any issues early before things get stuck real bad. One of the biggest issues with sliding door repair is ignoring the dirty track, which causes the door to jam or go off track. Just cleaning it regularly fixes this easy. Another common mistake is not checking the rollers for damage. Old or cracked rollers will make sliding rough and noisy, so swapping them out is key. Lastly, people often skip realigning the track properly after cleaning or replacing parts, which means the door still won't slide right. Loosening screws and adjusting position fixes this for sure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like sliding doors. It also helps contractors find new jobs so they can keep doing what they do best and make your home better without any hassle.